More concerns over the spread of the coronavirus. Now, a New York City resident is being tested after returning from a trip to Italy.
Good morning. I'm Chris Rankin.
And I'm Mary Calvi. Welcome to CBS 2 News this morning. Those growing concerns are still rattling world stock markets. European and Asian markets are down between 3 and 5% this morning. Yesterday, the Dow had its worst single-day point drop in history, losing just under 1,200 points. S&P fell by 137, and the Nasdaq lost 414.
CBS 2's Reena Roy is live now in our studio, with the latest developments for us this morning. Reena?
Chris and Mary, the New York City Health Department says the person being tested for the coronavirus is a New York City resident who recently traveled to Italy and reported symptoms. Officials are not releasing many details. All we know right now is the patient is under 50 years old.
At least 15 people here in the U.S. have contracted the coronavirus, and now testing is underway here in New York City. The city's health commissioner tweeting, "We expect the number of cases under investigation to grow." Also growing, fears across the country. President Trump insists patients are improving and his administration has it under control.
We have done an incredible job. We're going to continue. It's going to disappear. One day, it's like a miracle. It will disappear.
But the White House is getting pushback. A government whistleblower claims federal health employees who lacked training and protective gear interacted with quarantined Americans who were evacuated from Wuhan, China. Those employees are then said to have scattered into the general population. The Department of Health and Human Services says it is evaluating the complaint. Meantime, a California woman who tested positive may be the first person in the entire country to have gotten the virus with no link to foreign travel.
This particular case could be the first possible instance of community transmission of COVID-19 in the United States.
She was treated at a hospital less than 10 miles away from Travis Air Force, where passengers from the Diamond Princess cruise ship are under quarantine. But health officials say exactly how she got it is unknown. They're urgently trying to track down everyone who came into contact with her. The disease has now reached every continent except Antarctica. Researchers at the University of Pittsburgh are among very few to receive the virus in hopes of developing a vaccine, though that will likely take at least a year to reach the public.
And back here in New York City, officials have already tested 7 people for the coronavirus in recent weeks, but they've all come back negative. Officials are urging anyone with flu-like symptoms who has traveled to affected areas to contact a doctor immediately. Mary?
Reena Roy, Reena, thank you.